Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, rollover protection system, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rear defrost. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.